It's no secret that emails are a crucial aspect of modern business communication. In fact, an amazing 72% of adults in the United States prefer email as their main way to contact businesses. But with so many emails flooding inboxes, how can you ensure that your message is opened and read? Well, the answer is simple.
Come on, man! That's too easy!
You need to make your emails more enticing and personalized. While the typical open rate for marketing emails is 11 to 15%, the click-through rate is a measly 2 to 5%. So it's time to fine-tune your email marketing strategy by incorporating more human touches.
Things have changed. I can touch you.
To achieve your goal of higher open rates, you need to captivate your audience with something intriguing as soon as they open the email. The key to success in email marketing lies in testing different approaches until you find the one that works best. After all, you can't talk about conversions if your emails aren't even getting opened. So if you have a low open rate, try putting these ideas into action and seeing how well they work. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Experiment with different headings to boost email open rates. Are you struggling to get people to actually read your emails? It turns out that only 35% of recipients actually open an email based on the subject line. Crazy, right? That's why nailing your subject line is crucial. It's the first thing the consumer sees and the make or break factor in whether or not they'll actually open your email. So how do you make sure your subject line grabs their attention? Well, there are a few approaches that have proven to be successful. For example, try using a short, intriguing query like "Want to quadruple your email opens?" or consider adding emoticons, if they fit your brand, to catch the reader's eye. Another option is to keep it super simple with a few impactful words, like "increase your open rates by 100%. Of course, the best way to find out what works for your audience is through experimentation. Try out different subject lines and track your email marketing stats for at least 2 days after each send. And if you really want to keep improving your key performance indicators, consider incorporating A/B testing into your approach. Remember, your subject line is your first impression. Make it count. Number 2. Crafting effective email subject lines for higher open rates. Did you know emails with concise subject lines tend to have a higher chance of being opened? SendGrid did a study and found that subject lines with only 3 words got the most clicks, 21.2%. However, it's important to strike a balance between being brief and being informative. Avoid using buzzwords that could confuse or overwhelm your readers. In fact, using spammy buzzwords like free, X% off, guaranteed, or click here in your subject lines can actually hurt your campaign and lower your open rate. These words are often flagged as spam and automatically filtered out of inboxes. Plus, even if your message does make it to the inbox, these words can make your communication seem less trustworthy.
It's fake?
Fake?
That said, there are times when creating a sense of urgency can be effective in motivating your audience to act. For example, when a sale is about to end or registration for an event is closing soon, you can use language that creates a sense of urgency, like "sale ends tomorrow at midnight." This can help drive conversions and boost your campaign's success. Remember, crafting effective email subject lines is a process of trial and error. Experiment with different approaches and analyze your metrics to see what works best for your audience. With a bit of practice and persistence, you can create subject lines that grab your reader's attention and boost your open rates. Number 3. Maximize your email's impact with engaging preview lines. Make the most of the preview line in your emails to entice your readers to click and read more. This is not the place to repeat the subject line, but rather an opportunity to add more value and intrigue. Ask yourself, what would make someone want to read this email? What valuable piece of information or offer can you provide? For example, if we were sending an email about this article with the subject line, "Double your email open rates with consistent branding," we could include a preview that says, "Discover how we raise the ROI on our email efforts and how you can too." This way, the reader is enticed to open the email and learn more. Number 4. Make your emails stand out with eye-catching layouts. Did you know that the layout of your emails can have a big impact on your open rates and engagement levels? Even though the design won't be visible until the recipient clicks to open the email, a visually appealing layout can catch their attention and leave a lasting impression. At our company, we know how important it is to have a consistent brand image and give our subscribers high-quality content. Because of this, our design team works hard to make custom email templates that not only look good, but also fit with our brand identity. By spending money on a good-looking and well-designed email layout, you can build trust and loyalty with your audience, making it more likely that they will keep reading your content and eventually become paying customers. So don't underestimate the power of a great layout. It can be the key to taking your email marketing strategy to the next level. Number 5. Engage your readers by providing content that matters to them. When it comes to email marketing, it's not just about getting your message into someone's inbox. It's about keeping them engaged and interested in what you have to say. The key is to offer them valuable information that they can actually use. Take the time to understand your audience and tailor your content to their needs and interests. This could be anything from industry news and trends to helpful tips and tricks. By including content that your readers will find interesting, you'll make it more likely that they'll keep opening your emails and interacting with your brand. So why not start exploring what topics will interest your readers and add value to their lives? Number 6. Find out when the most productive times to send are. Determining the best time to send an email is a tricky task, no doubt about it. But with a little research, you can identify the times when your subscribers are most likely to be checking their inboxes. It's important to put yourself in their shoes and consider what their typical day might look like. Are they early birds who check their emails first thing in the morning, or do they wait until after lunch to catch up on their inbox? It's also important to think about holidays and other events that could change how your subscribers use email. During busy times, people are more likely to overlook or ignore emails that don't immediately grab their attention. So be mindful of your timing and don't send emails during periods when your customers are likely to be preoccupied with other things. By taking the time to research and identify the most productive times to send your emails, you can significantly improve your open and click-through rates. So, try out different things and look at the results to improve your email marketing and keep your subscribers interested. Number 7. Consistent communication is key. To build a strong relationship with your audience, you need to keep in touch with them. While bombarding their inbox with daily emails is certainly not the way to go, keeping them updated on a regular basis can help you stay top of mind. At our company, we recommend sending an email update once or twice a month, featuring valuable content such as blog posts, news, and tips that can benefit your subscribers. By giving your audience useful information, you can show that you are an expert in your field and build trust with your subscribers. It's important to find a balance between staying in touch and annoying your audience, so make sure to adjust how often you talk to them based on their needs and preferences. Remember, consistent communication doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an opportunity to engage with your audience and provide them with value. So, keep them in the loop and make sure your brand stays top of mind. Number 8. Segmenting your email campaigns. Did you know that segmenting your email campaigns could lead to a significant increase in opens and click rates? It's true. Research shows that segmented campaigns increase the number of opens by 14.37% and the number of clicks by a huge 64.78%. By dividing your email list into segments, you can learn more about the type of customer you're trying to reach. This lets you send them more relevant and personalized emails. This method can go along with your regular email schedule and help you connect with your subscribers better. So, if you want to take your email marketing efforts to the next level, consider segmenting your audience and tailoring your content to their specific interests and needs. It could make all the difference. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.